So what is up, Hoppy fam? We are back with another video on Hoppy, and today we're going to be taking another look at what Hoppy is doing, just giving you guys a quick update on what it has been doing in the daily. It is kind of going sideways a little bit. In the week, we did do a pretty decent pump, about more than 50%, but again, still slowing it down in the previous couple of days. So before we do start the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Hoppy, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen looking at Hoppy, currently at 0.3011, up around almost 40% in the past 7 days. We could see in the past 7 days, this is the weekly chart, and we did go a lot higher, actually all the way to 1398, and we are kind of backing down. If we do take a look at the daily, we're down 6.4 almost 5%, and we did go a lot lower, down to 1035, I believe, or possibly even lower, 1034, something around there. But we are a little back up again. We are kind of going sideways in the overall the past few days, not doing too much as of yet. If we actually take a look at Hoppy on deck screener, we could head over there, and if we just load up Hoppy right here, we can see we are still pumping back up from the bottom line. We did talk about in some previous videos, we talked about how this is a crucial level for Hoppy, and how every time it has hit this level, it did jump back up. So if we do take a look at what Hoppy has done, we can see it hit this once right here, pumped back up. This was again a crazy pump. It was more than, I believe, almost 2000% from the last time it hit that bottom line. It did hit it once again, just had a tiny pumps, at least 2x, even with the tiny pumps. It did again right here, and then after the third time, it did make a new all-time high. And then we can see we have pumped that back down to the same range. We have this line kind of going, and we did pump back up once again. If we take a look at what this pump was this time, this was about a 94% pump, actually less. So let's just zoom in to get a more accurate number. So this was about still a 87% backup in just the past 7 days. Looking at the low to highs, again, not looking at this graph, but still 88%, which is absolutely crazy. Again, not a small number for almost any meme coin to have. So even after a 90%, almost a 2x, we are always going to go back down. So we are down about 25% right now from that top number. So again, that is just how the market works. If we go up, we eventually do come back down. People take profits, and people sell when they see their profit is building up. So that's what we saw there. But still, in the overall long term, it is still looking very bullish. We are in this range again. I don't know how many times we will hit this range again. We might see it pump back, go back down to this range, which would be around 0.408 range, something around there. And then we might see it jump back up once again. So let's just extend this, and we might see it do another jump from the bottom, or it could just keep going up. So again, that is yet to be decided. We can't exactly predict what's going to happen, but according to the chart, this level is a crucial one. So if we do hit that level once again, it's nothing to be scared of. It's just how the markets and the patterns work. Even if we look at the monthly, we are down about 32%. Earlier in the month, we kind of did a pretty decent pumps, and then we just kind of slowed down. We just kind of consolidated for a while, and then we are starting to pick back up. We did have a pretty decent pump back up. If we do take a look at what the community is saying, still 94% bullish. If we take a look at the latest comments, like and comment Roshan Silva, obviously one of the fellow YouTubers from the Hoppy community, we can see, I believe Hoppy will start rising this month, and growth will continue until the end of the Q3 this year. I'm leaving this information here for time to verify. Let's see if this post ages. So we will definitely see if this turns out to be right. Hoppy is the way. Hoppy getting to the end of a massive bullish wedge breakout will be epic. Hoppy joining the team. OKX and BitGet and KuCoin will list Hoppy soon. Just stay humble and focus. We will reach billions of market cap, 3 to 5 billion loading. So let's take a look at the exchange situation. We are on a ton of exchanges. Again, this is no small list, but the problem here is we're not on the well-known exchanges. These are I know pretty good exchanges, but we're not on any tier 1 yet. We are currently in Mexi, which is currently number 1. We are on Gate.io, which is pretty good, but these tier 1, these are the main exchanges that we do want to go for. If we are able to get listed on these exchanges, this is absolutely huge because they have tons of daily users. The more users that have access to the coin, the more users that will possibly buy in. So it is better to be listed on exchanges that more people have access to, more people use. Again, smaller exchanges, I know you could get access to them using VPNs and tons of stuff, but the easier it is, the more people that are likely to do it. So I know the team is working in the back end to get these exchange listings, and if we do get them, that will be absolutely awesome for the Hoppy community. So we know the community actually is very active, very positive, and that is what is keeping this coin going, and it will most likely be the reason this coin succeeds. So that was pretty much it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Hoppy, what it has been doing recently. Again, still in that regular range, just trading regularly, a little ups and downs, and still overall in the long term, absolutely crazy potential. And do make sure to stay tuned to this channel for more updates on Hoppy and other meme coins as well. If you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Hoppy, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.